everybody, Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs here. I'm one of your brand ambassadors here at Dixie Belle Paints, and I'm here to show you one of the new colors we got in the Voodoo Gel Stain line. We already have a lot of beautiful colors already available. We have denim, which is the blue. We have the Black Magic, of course the black, Up in Smoke gray, Tobacco Road brown, Bayou Moss, and this is kind of like a hint of green, kind of gives you that kind of patina, green aged mossy look. White Magic, which is our white. One of my favorites, Temptress, that gorgeous turquoise. And then our new color, Au Naturel. This is now become my favorite color. It does make everything look finished. It makes it look soft. It really gives you that old restoration hardware type look. So this I'm really excited to show you today. So let me go ahead and demonstrate a few projects. Now first of all, I am going to show you real quick how it looks. Just so you have an idea, because you're probably thinking, you know, why it's a natural color. It's not going to really show up. It really does give a polished, finished look without taking away that integrity of looking like a natural piece of wood. So I'm going to show you real quick. Now this little jewelry box, I'll show you close-ups as well, but this little jewelry box is actually a mix of the Au Naturel with the Temptress, and it gives this very soft, aged green look. And what this looked like before, let me show you. You can see the difference. See the wood? See how raw that was? Just gives it a nice polished look. And then I also did these little trays. The top is done with the Au Naturel, but the bottom one, I actually added the Temptress mixed with the Au Naturel. I love those two colors together. Wood U Bun was actually stained in the Au Naturel, the new color. And then the top one is all the Au Naturel, the new color. Okay, this one is also done, a base of the Au Naturel, and then I did our new stencils on here. But this is what it used to look like. It was very kind of plain, and I just gave it a finished look. Now, you're probably thinking you can hardly tell. Actually, when you're in person, you can really tell. It's my new favorite thing. And I'm gonna be doing a close-up. I'm gonna show you, I'm working on a project right now, and I'm gonna be doing the drawer fronts with the Au Naturel. I did this drawer already, have not done that drawer. See how the Au Naturel Voodoo Gel Stain really toned down the wood? Here's its natural color. Here it is with the stain on it. It just gives it a more polished, finished look. I absolutely love it. So I'm going to be demonstrating side by side so you'll be able to see it. And I'm also going to demonstrate side by side on this wood top table. I'm going to be doing the Au Naturel on one side, which is our new color, and I'm going to put it right next to the White Magic. So you have an idea when we're talking about toning down the wood and getting that rustic look when we sand the wood down to raw wood and we put a wash over it. I'm going to show you side by side just so you can have a clear comparison, and I will bring the camera down close so you'll be able to see. So I will be demonstrating a few things. I'm also going to demonstrate just mixing a couple colors together and how easy it is to get a really cool look, and we're going to do that on this table as well. So I'll be bringing the camera down so you can see close up. Okay, the first demonstration I'm going to do is I'm going to do these little drawer fronts here. This is raw wood. Personally, what I like to do with raw wood is I like to get it wet first, just so it doesn't grab onto the stain too much and I have time to actually manipulate it. So I'm just going to mix with a little bit of water. That's just to quench the thirst of the raw wood. You don't have to do this. I just personally like to do this. Just put a little bit of water on it, and we're going to tone that down with the new Au Naturel stain. I'm going to use my sponge. Put it on the sponge, and it's as easy as this. I'm going to apply it. See how that's doing that? I'm going to apply it, and actually using a sponge, this is a Dixie Belle Blue applicator sponge. By doing this, I'm actually wiping it off while I'm applying it. So I'm doing it side by side. See how it's toning it down? But I left a lot of product on there. You can still see the knots through it. And I'm just going to keep wiping until I get it to where I can see the grains as much as I want to see it. I can actually turn it to a clean side of the sponge and wipe it again. Wipe back as much as you need. This is a water-based stain, so it is going to be absorbed. But look at how nicely it toned. I can still see my grain in my wood. See that? I can still see the grain, still see the knots, but it toned it down quite a bit. I'm going for a beachy look, and so that is the Au Naturel stain. Okay, so I just wanted to show you side by side with that. Now, you may wonder what it's gonna look like next to, let's say you're wanting that whitewash look. The Au Naturel is going to give you a much more toned down look. It's gonna tone down the pinky and orange tones to your wood. And then we have our White Magic, which gives you that whitewash look. So I'm just gonna do 2 sections so you can see them side by side. Let me put some of this on my plate. Okay, this wood has been slightly sanded, and I'm gonna mix it with just a little bit of water, just a little bit. Take a clean side of the sponge, just wipe that water, kind of wipe it off. It kind of lets it soak into that wood. Like I said, you don't have to do that. I just find, for me, it just makes it easier to use. It's already an easy to use product, but this makes it even more easy. Okay, so let's get my clean sponge. I'm gonna put the white on half and the Au Naturel on the other so you can compare them. Let's do half of it. So the White Magic is a Voodoo color, Voodoo Gel Stain color, and we use this a lot for that whitewash pickled look. It's so easy to use. You just wipe it on and you wipe back however much you need, depending on how strong of a color you want. Since this is a water-based product, it does dry extremely quick. You don't have to wait those 3 to 5 days like you do with an oil-based stain. It does make it a lot quicker to finish a project. It's very translucent, so you can see those grains through there. Okay, I'll make sure I got everything going in the same direction. Okay, so as you can see, you pull it back a little bit. There is the whitewash. This is the White Magic. Okay, now in this half, I'm gonna do the Au Naturel. Go back to my Au Naturel sponge and do that right next to it. It's not gonna have that whitewash look. It's gonna have that natural wood bleached beechwood type tone to it. Okay, and just make sure it's all nice and even. Glide back and forth. Get your edges. Okay, so here we have the White Magic, which really gives you that pickled whitewash look. Up here is the Au Naturel, which gives you just more of that kind of polished look. It's, you know, you have your raw wood, but this kind of tones it down and evens out those tones in it and gives you a nice, beautiful finish. So both of them are a beautiful look. This is the White Magic. Here's the Au Naturel, and I'll have a close-up picture of this as well. Okay, so that is the new color, Au Naturel. Absolutely love it. Voodoo Gel Stain, water-based gel stain, which makes it fabulous. It mixes so well with other products. Okay, the great thing also is you can mix the Voodoo Gel Stains with our glazes because it's water-based. And I like doing that because the Voodoo Gel Stain is, it's very translucent. It's a stain. You're able to see the grains through it. It's more translucent than using a paint. So I'm gonna tint my glaze with the Voodoo Gel Stain. It's beautiful when you mix it with other colors to get a cool look, and I'm gonna be doing that on this table underneath in just a second. But I wanna show you how you can mix them with glazes, give you that pearlescent look. You're tinting your glaze to have a little bit of color without having to use paint. It keeps it all a very subtle, translucent look. So I'm gonna actually add another coat of the Au Naturel here. And I like to mix it 50-50 with pearlescent glaze. Take the pearlescent glaze. So it's gonna give the Au Naturel stain a little pearlescent sheen, kind of that little extra touch. So I like to do 50-50. So I'm gonna do 50-50 glaze to stain. And I'll actually add another color over here. Okay, so I put a little bit of glaze over here, and I'm actually gonna add that Temptress, which I absolutely love. Okay, I'll add the Temptress to this other one, so it's like 50-50. By tinting them, I'm getting a very translucent but gorgeous, gorgeous sheen added to my piece. Okay, but I added the Voodoo Gel Stain, 50% gel stain to 50% pearlescent glaze to give it a beautiful little finish. Stir it up. And then I added the Temptress, 50% Temptress to 50% pearlescent glaze. and then stir that up as well. Okay, then I'm gonna use a clean sponge, and I'm gonna dip into my Au Naturel, and then maybe I'm gonna dip the other half into the Temptress so that I can kind of swirl the colors together. And so we're gonna put it over this. It's gonna give it a beautiful little shimmer. Because the Voodoo Gel Stains are not very thick as far as pigments, you do get to keep a little bit of that sheen, that pearlescent sheen. Okay, dip half and half and keep just swirling it around. The glazes do not have to be sealed. If you don't want to, if this is just home decor, I could leave it. Or, I mean, if this is gonna be a cutting board or a serving tray, I could put hemp oil on it, not a problem. But it's fun to mix the colors and just swirling them around, and it's so transparent and so subtle. I can still see all my designs underneath. I'm adding that shimmer from the pearlescent glaze and just giving it a beautiful finish. Okay. Very, very subtle, but beautiful. You can see it in the light. See in the light how it's hitting it? When that dries, that's gonna just have a subtle shimmer to it, giving it a nice finished look, and it just gives just a little tint of that Temptress turquoise along with the Au Naturel. It's just a beautiful way to finish it off. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and play on this table too. Let's say you want to have a real beachy look. We can actually mix a lot of colors. So I can mix in, let's do that Temptress again. Let's do some denim. That denim is beautiful. Do a little denim. Do a little bit more of that Au Naturel. Just put them all on one plate. And maybe I'll do a little bit of the white. No, we won't do white. Yeah, we'll do a little bit of white. And a little bit of the white. Okay, so you can actually add lots of stains to a project. So I'm gonna go ahead and use one of the sponges I just got done using. Wipe it off a little bit to get the color off. Okay, so now let's say I want to do, let's do some of the each colors. I'm gonna go in the denim blue and the Temptress at the same time. And then maybe I'll come in with the Au Naturel, put all three colors on my sponge. How about that? And just slide those colors across. You don't have to do any blending, but you get a fun look, blended look that's somewhat transparent, gives you that beachy vibe. Actually, I like those three colors together. I don't know if I'll even use the white. Okay, doing it again. And I got all three colors on my sponge. I'm just going back and forth. The Voodoo Gel Stains are a great way, this is a great way to finish off the top of the piece, give it that beachy vibe. Add a pop of color, and you don't have to have any experience in blending. You just use a sponge and you wipe it on as thick as you want, as much as you want. You can keep going back and adding more colors as you need it. Getting some more of that blue in there. That's so pretty. So as you can see, it's very easy. And the more mute you want it, and the more you want to see your grains through, you just gently take your sponge and wipe it. If you decide you want to add more colors, you can do that. You can wait till it dries and add another layer, but you can get that nice beachy look with different color variations in it. I love doing this for a beachy kind of look. Now, okay, so there you have it. Our Voodoo Gel Stains. What's fabulous about them, they're water-based, and they're great to use because when we do a wash with paint, paint is much more pigmented. These are great because they're a gel stain, but a water-based gel stain, so you get that nice translucent but vibrant look. So we have our Up in Smoke, which is our gray, Black Magic, which is our black, Denim, which is our blue, Temptress, which is one of my favorites, is that beautiful turquoise, Tobacco Road, which is our beautiful brown, Bayou Moss, that gives you that grungy, mossy, beautiful, earthy tone. That's a little bit of a green tone. White Magic. And finally, one of my new favorites in our brand new color, Au Naturel. This is very versatile, great to blend with the other Voodoo Gel Stains, great to use by itself. So make sure you're checking with your local retailer to see if they have it in stock, and you gotta give this one a try. Okay, well, this is Amy with AJ's Vintage Designs once again for Dixie Belle, and excited to have a lot of new projects coming up using this new gel stain. Okay, well, thanks for watching, and I hope you have a beautiful day.